Umentri rang ba kejelau konrad kisang ma kesingining kong ulong ba ke sorkar jela kenya kun borba na kebentaban kyrshan ni nongrep sohphan ling ba ke jackfruit mission. Ya kenya ulapin pau ha kejingi kendu jeng kinong terikam lejong bat nongrep hari lom garu. Umentri rang ba ulapin tip ru banaka sorkar kelamang hadu san klur tingka na kebentaban pensiso ya ke mission sohphan ni jackfruit mission.
How do we connect this entire supply and demand chain that is there? So we want to ensure that we were able to connect this with the farmers and the buyers. Number two, it was very important for us also to see that it's not always high production that is important. We wanted to focus on high value products. So we realized that Meghalaya state is very, very strong when it comes to areas like spices, whether it's the black pepper or the turmeric that we have, or the mushrooms that we are working on, and that's why we have a mushroom mission, we have a turmeric mission, we have a spice mission. So all these areas we realize that these are niche products that have high value, maybe low quantity, but the market and the return that the farmers would get would be high. So keeping these basic principles in mind, we realize that there are a large number of farmers who don't even have 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees to sometimes buy the basic pipe or the basic sheets, the tripal and all these other things, tarpaulin and all, to cover their, gardens or their fields. And so we realized that there needs to be intervention in this area. So that is the reason why we have started something called the Chief Minister's Farmer Producer Group Program. And we may be one of the few states in the country that has started this particular project, and we have already in fact given about 2,000 farmer groups this benefit. We released about 10 to 15 crores just about 2-3 months back, and this coming months we'll be releasing to another 30,000 groups. We'll be releasing this 5,000 rupees per farmer. So this will help in giving that initial working capital which the farmers require to ensure that they are able to make a difference in their production. Another thing which is very important, which we realize, is the technology, the value addition, the training that is there. And this is where College of Community Science will play a very major role, is to ensure that small aspects of training, small aspects of value addition are given to the farmers, which can really make a difference in the way they make the produce, the quality that is maintained, and the cost also can be minimized. So I would like to thank once again the entire team that has been working on this project to ensure that proper training is being given to the farmers. We have promoted 3 to 4 entrepreneurs at the state level who are going to be manufacturing packaging products at an international level. So we will no longer see this kind of packaging that we will do in plastic, where the product is so good, but we have put it in basic plastic, and therefore we may find 70-80% of the people not wanting to buy it outside. So the same product packaged in the correct manner with good material will increase the value of the product, to a large extent. So realizing that, we are getting professional, high-level, international-level packaging materials being manufactured in our state. We are hopeful that these units will start producing and start delivering this packaging materials to our entrepreneurs, nano entrepreneurs, separate groups, maybe within the next 2 to 3 months.